Emergency funds are one of the most essential financial tools you can have to protect yourself from unexpected financial setbacks. Life is unpredictable, and whether it's a sudden job loss, a medical emergency, urgent home repairs, or an unexpected car breakdown, having an emergency fund ensures that you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans to cover these expenses. Without a financial cushion, you may find yourself struggling to pay bills, accumulating high-interest debt, or even facing severe financial hardship. Before we continue, I wish to let you know that we have links to our best curated financial freedom resources in the description and the first comment below. You can check them out after watching this video. Now, to the topic of our video. Emergency funds are your safety net. The purpose of an emergency fund is to give you peace of mind and financial stability when the unexpected happens. Experts generally recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses set aside in an easily accessible account. If your job is unstable or you have dependents, you might consider saving even more to ensure that you can weather a prolonged financial crisis without falling into debt. Building an emergency fund may seem overwhelming, but starting small can make a big difference. Even setting aside a few dollars each week can quickly add up over time. The key is to be consistent and prioritize savings as part of your budget. Treat your emergency fund contributions like a fixed expense, just as you would with rent or utility bills. Automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund can help you stay on track and remove the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. One of the biggest mistakes people make with emergency funds is not keeping them in a readily accessible account. You want your money to be easy to withdraw when needed, but not so easy that you are tempted to use it for non-emergencies. A high-yield savings account is an excellent choice because it allows your money to earn interest while remaining accessible. Avoid keeping your emergency fund in stocks or other volatile investments, as market fluctuations could reduce its value right when you need it most. Determining how much you need in your emergency fund depends on several factors, including your monthly expenses, job stability, and personal circumstances. To calculate your target amount, add up your essential expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Multiply this total by the number of months you want to be covered. For example, if your essential expenses are $3,000 per month, a 3-month emergency fund would be $9,000, while a 6-month fund would be $18,000. If saving this amount seems daunting, focus on building your emergency fund gradually. Start with a small goal, such as saving $500 or $1,000, and work your way up. Look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses, such as dining out less often or canceling unused subscriptions, and redirect that money into your emergency fund. You can also boost your savings by setting aside tax refunds, work bonuses, or extra income from side gigs. One common challenge is resisting the urge to dip into your emergency fund for non-essential expenses. A true emergency is an urgent, necessary, and unexpected expense, something that directly impacts your financial well-being, health, or safety. Shopping sales, vacations, or upgrading your phone do not qualify as emergencies. To stay disciplined, you may want to keep your emergency fund in a separate bank from your primary checking account, making it less tempting to spend. If you ever need to use your emergency fund, make replenishing it a priority as soon as possible. Unexpected expenses can happen at any time, and you don't want to be caught off guard if another financial crisis arises. Once your immediate financial need is covered, adjust your budget to rebuild your emergency savings as quickly as you can. An emergency fund is especially crucial if you are self-employed, work in an unstable industry, or rely on a single source of income. If you experience an income loss, having savings to cover your essential expenses will give you time to find new opportunities without the pressure of immediate financial strain. It also provides a safety net in case of unexpected medical expenses, which are one of the leading causes of financial hardship. Even if you have high-interest debt, it's still important to set aside money for emergencies. While paying down debt is crucial, not having any savings means that you may have to rely on credit cards or loans if an emergency arises, making your debt situation even worse. A small emergency fund of even $500 to $1,000 can prevent you from spiraling into further financial trouble. Emergency funds are not just for major crises, they can also provide flexibility in everyday financial decisions. Knowing you have a financial cushion allows you to take calculated risks, such as starting a business, changing careers, or moving to a new city without the fear of being financially stranded. It empowers you to handle life's uncertainties with confidence and prevents minor setbacks from turning into long-term financial disasters. No one can predict the future, but having an emergency fund ensures that you are financially prepared for whatever comes your way. The security and peace of mind it provides are invaluable, allowing you to navigate life's uncertainties without the added stress of financial instability. By making it a priority to build and maintain an emergency fund, you take a crucial step toward financial freedom and long-term stability. Always remember that financial freedom is the ability to live life on your own terms, free from financial stress and limitations. It means having enough wealth, savings, and passive income to cover your expenses, giving you the flexibility to pursue your passions, travel, spend time with loved ones, or even retire early if you choose. Achieving financial freedom isn't about making millions overnight. It's about developing smart financial habits, managing money wisely, and making intentional decisions that build long-term wealth. It starts with creating a budget, eliminating debt, saving consistently, and investing in assets that generate passive income. The journey requires discipline, patience, and a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. While the road may have challenges, the rewards are worth it. Peace of mind, security, and the power to design a life that aligns with your dreams. No matter where you are today, you have the power to take control of your finances and create a future of true financial independence. The key is to start now, stay committed, and let time and smart choices work in your favor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to this channel to continue learning your way to financial freedom. You can also check the description or the first comment below for links to our best curated financial freedom resources. See you in our other videos.